In the Atlas Mountains of 12th century Morocco, a religious revolution was brewing that would reshape North African history.
It began with Ibn Tumat, a charismatic teacher who preached Islamic unity and reform to the Berber tribes.
After Ibn Tumat's death, the brilliant general Abd al-Mumin took control and transformed the movement into a military force.
Abd al-Mumin chose to fight in the mountains where his Berber warriors held every advantage over their enemies.
By 1143, internal conflict and the death of key leaders had fatally weakened the Almoravid Empire.
The turning point came when the powerful Zenata Berbers switched sides and joined the Almohad cause.
The capture of Tlemcen gave the Almohads control of a crucial strategic city in their expanding empire.
Victory brought new challenges as internal rebellions tested Abd al-Mumin's leadership and threatened the new empire.
The conquest of Morocco required 15 years of sustained siege warfare against well-defended cities like Marrakesh.
The fierce resistance suggested that Almoravid society was more stable and popular than Almohad propaganda claimed.
Abd al-Mumin established an efficient administrative system based on Almohad religious principles throughout North Africa.
Almohad civilization flourished from Spain to Tunisia, creating centers of learning that influenced both African and European thought.
The Almohad legacy lives on in North African architecture, law, and culture, connecting modern Africa to its medieval greatness.
This lesson is part of the UNESCO General History of Africa Curriculum Library at Ashaware.com, where Africa's story is told by Africa.